Hello, greetings teacher and classmates. My name is Alfonso Torres Alvear, and a student master degree in organizational administration in the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia from Ibagué. I appreciate this opportunity to talk about global warming in responsible way because my profession is related to this issue and as person I am concerned about the environmental damage we are doing to the planet. From my point of view, factors related to the growing population explosion and uncontrolled urbanization, the use of fossil energy, improved management of farmland waste, and other factors and actors that they generate greater environmental pollution, and in this way the weaken a warning chain and trade to environmental pollution. Countries need to develop to move forward, but it must be done in sustainable way, looking at other production a trade since industrialization, machines and vehicles. It is a matter of caution that must be the product from global control agencies such as United Nations, governments, events, and business and citizens for the verification and the massification of the use energy, alternative wine, solar, recycling, among others. Nature inspires progress and innovation, and we have to find a way in which technology and development are part of the solution of now the problem and help the sustainable development of the environment through in strategies. Yes, strategies that favor the conservation of the environment. Thank you very much.